hold on to me as we go.
Guys, I'm John Boom. This is my friend Ivan, Zifeng, Zekai, Kaikiet, and the cameraman Alan. Now we just reached the treetop walk tonight, Sadim. Yeah, we're staying here for 3 days tonight for the first project, ENBE, first project. Yeah, want to know what's inside? Let's check it out now.
Resort of Sungai Sedin, so I think it's gonna be fun here. Let's go.
The only time I feel good falling is when I'm falling fast and hard for you. The last 2 digits when I'm calling fade away, but somehow I'll get through.
Hey guys, it's Ivan here. This is our site. You can see it's 10 by 10 meter. Okay, look what we got here. These are the trees. They are so big and natural. It's all over the site. So natural. And water, you can see it's so crystal clear. You can see the rocks beneath it. Rocks are full of algae, never mind. The other rocks are so perfect. And it is so wonderful, such a wonderful place. It's a gift from the nature. You should appreciate it. Thank you. You guys hear anything? The water flowing sounds? The sound of insect and the bird chirping. The rushing of the tree when wind blows. Never mind, this is snowing at the moment, so you can visit yourself next time.
The smell scent we can get in our trip from the green plant. We can smell fresh air from the green plants by during the photosynthesis in the morning. Yeah.
Wow! That's so awesome! Water here is so cold, and this water flow is fast. I can. Woo! I'm away now, and the rock is so slippery. I can't even stand up. Whoa! Yeah.
Hey guys, we are here in Treetop Walk, Sungai Sedin. I found the extraction place here is the bridge, Top Walk Bridge. And this bridge has 10 years history and is made by the labor workers. And it's not machinery works. And this is organized by the Tourist Malaysia organizer. Let's take a look.
Could it be another change to come and rearrange? Why can't you just feel that way? I do.
Yeah, what I've learned from this trip is about teamwork. Right from the first day we entered the forest, we have to set out our site. We measure everything with my friends, and this all would be done without teamwork. Yeah, so this is what I learned from this trip. And besides, everything was so good there. The environment, the food, the resorts. Yeah, so everything is good.